We can go one step further with mirroring if we use items to mirror also. So I'll show you how that works. I'm going to hold down Control and bring out a cube, polygons, move it up to the quadrant up here. So for now, I'm going to use item mode to mirror, and that's a slightly different menu. That's Control Alt V, and Control Alt V has all our options for item mirroring. Let me just show you how that works. So each item, if I click up here and drag, I get centers. So each item has a center, which is kind of acts as the pivot of that item. So 5, 7 numbers to switch between those. Anyway, so we should be mirroring around this pivot. So with number 5, let's do Control Alt V, and the first one I'm going to do is an instance, mirror instance X. There we go. So the difference with the instance is that it will follow whatever you're doing on the original. So let's grab this instance here. It's indicated by the purple icon and also a purple wireframe. So let's grab just the instance, Control Alt V, and now you might be thinking mirror instance X again, but the problem is I don't want to instance an already instanced thing. I just want to duplicate that instance. So to do that, I just use a regular mirror Z. So now it'll go over there, and let's do it one more time. Mirror X on that one. Now this looks cool, but I want to actually extract this original from the others, so I'm going to try moving it. The problem is that my instances are trying to follow my original. So to fix that, I'm going to select the instances, and where it says position, just click twice until it turns gray, and that'll unlink the instances from the original. Now I can move the original out of the way and grab that last instance and say Control Alt V, mirror on X. Also, let's grab all of these, Control Alt V, mirror Y. So let's get this one, the original, Polygon mode, number 3, copy paste, Control C, Control V, and let's move it over to here. Control Q to cut it away. And now if I press number 2, I've got all my edges selected, as you can see down here, all edges. And I can just press B for bevel, drag. And if I want to change how smooth that bevel is, I'm going to press D to increase it. A to decrease, D to increase. And that's just like if you've ever played a first-person shooter game or some kind of computer game, those are the same controls. So let's press escape to get out of that. And now for these guys, I'm in item mode because instances are only work in item mode. So I'm going to drag these instances over to a quadrant so we can mirror it again. And now that I want to mirror these items, I can put them into a group. So that's Control G, puts them all into a group. And let's make an instance of that group. So Control Alt V, mirror or actually I can just say mirror X. Grab these two groups, mirror Z. Grab all 4 groups, mirror Y. And now since our original is still independent, I can cut, paste, and just start messing with it. Shift X to thicken, copy paste, thicken. I can mirror this, regular mirror this time since we're not dealing with items here. This is just polygons, so I can use Shift V, mirror Y. And let's try Shift V, mirror Z. Shift V, mirror X. So it could get pretty complicated here pretty quickly. Not a lot of work, and that's the idea. We're trying to be lazy, right? And again, this functionality is not native in Modo, so if you're looking for these scripts, you need to go back to the first video in this series, Intro to Modo number 1, which will show you where to get the scripts and how to install it and all that stuff. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.